This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Steurenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Xpeng G6 Performance, and in this video I'm gonna walk through the interior. I'm gonna try to put some baby stuff in there and see how does it suit as a family car. I've already taken a trip to Lillehammer with the family and it was wonderful. So now we're just gonna do the standardized test and measure stuff and try to fit stuff in here. So no need to open the hood, there is no frunk here. We can just start in the back instead. As far as I know, there is no kick sensor here. So maybe they don't kick in China. We just have to press it manually to open it. But here you see we have the parcel shelf like this, and you can remove it by pulling here. Take out the parcel shelf. And then here we have two lids that can be removed. We have the upper lid here, or the big lid, and the small lid here. And you see with the lids open, you free up even more space. So we have these wells here, similar to Tesla Model Y, but Model Y has a deeper well here. But despite that, the G6 actually has the same space, roughly the same space as Model Y, 9 banana boxes. That's what actually matters. If you try to look up on the trunk space on G6 versus Model Y in EV database, for example, which they pull from the manufacturer, you will see that there's a big difference between the space claimed by Tesla and by Xpeng, and that's why we need banana boxes. So all right, and here you can also see the mechanism to recline the seat even more. As usual, I packed the e-Pream so it's easier to transport. I prefer to put this one inside in case I only need to use the frame. So then I put the frame outside like this. Wait, let me fold the tire proper there. Whoa, there's plenty of space here. You could probably fit 2 e-Preams in there. Look at that. Wow. That's a very slow closing trunk. Is it supposed to be that slow? Yeah, okay. Approved. As you measure the trunk, it is 95 centimeter. Width here is 103 centimeter. Up here slightly better, 109 centimeter. And then you can check maybe the height here roughly, where it has a dip, 80 centimeters. Here, or roughly here, it's around 73 centimeter. And then diagonally we have 92 centimeter. And then loading height, roughly there, is 77 centimeter. And with the seats folded, we have behind the driver's seat 185 centimeter. The passenger seat has been pushed all the way forward. Then we have 206 centimeters. Diagonally, we have 225 centimeter. But the G6 can actually fold. I have to show you. You can do some cool thing. First, remove the headrest in the second row here, and then we recline the front seat back a little bit. Then remove the headrest here also, and then we recline further, and that should give it a flat floor. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be used for, but you see there, camping maybe? The length here from the back to the front, not sure where I'm supposed to aim. I have to go further up. This is a bit unusual. No, even higher there, roughly. To the dashboard is 275 centimeter. Well, what purpose does this have? So it looks like this. Yeah, and then it's not totally flat here. You see it goes up a bit. Well, maybe if you don't have a trailer and you want to transport something big from IKEA, then you can do it like this. And the seat width here is 135 centimeters. And then the seating height, ooh, it feels good. Wow, 35 centimeters. And then you can recline. There's a button here, you can recline in several steps. And this is the most reclined position, really comfortable. But even in the most upright position, it's also comfortable. We're gonna check something else here. I want to check the distance from the bottom here to the top, and then try to compare that with Tesla. We have 127 centimeters. The reason why I measure the height is that I believe that the G6 has better internal height than Model Y and maybe some other cars. Something about that they place the battery in parts of the structure of the car. So yeah, in many cars, if you want to have good headroom, that, like, let's say here, see, wow, this is plenty of headroom. Good headroom, yes, but then you have poor seating height. And then some other cars, you have good seating height, but then poor headroom. But here, it seems like the G6 has no compromises, simply because they made the thing a little bit taller and then free up space and not put too much batteries on the bottom here. So, okay, and then we have a pocket here. And wait, shit, there's a little trash from a previous trip. 2 USB-C here, manual air vents there. And then, you see, very good legroom. Incredible legroom, actually. I'm sitting behind myself here. And then door looks like this. A door pocket there. This is the door opener. Adjustable seat belt there. Light here, there. Yeah, same. Well, we have handle-ons all four except, well, all three except for the over there. And then here we have a middle armrest, and then we have a pop-out cup holder here, but no table, anything in the middle here. And then I have to check also how is the middle seat. Yeah, well, the middle seat is actually okay. It's not horrible. Still okay headroom here, and you see that we have flat floor. And as a comparison, we need to do it. Oh, come on. See here, seat height in the Model Y. Let me double check again. Yeah, it seems to be around 37 centimeters. That's really good. Better than the G6. But what about the total height? Okay, how do I do this? This, maybe? I'm not sure if it reflects correctly. Oh, okay, I get 130 centimeters. Actually, 130.1, 131, I mean. Is that slightly better than the G6? No, for some reason, the headroom here is worse than the G6. The Isofix, on the other hand, is not that great to locate. You see it here, kinda, yeah. You poke in and you see the hooks there and there. So no lid or anything. So this makes it slightly harder to mount a car seat. Like the Isofix base here. It's not that clear whether you hit it. Fortunately, it's fairly bright over here, but in the garage where it's sometimes a bit dark, then I have problems locating the hooks, and I'm afraid I will rip some leather, or at least vegan leather. But there, I think I located it properly, and then you can see here, yes, at least we have fairly flat seat here, so if there are too many side bolts, then it actually blocks that part. Well, okay, so now we are at least mounted, and here we have the Cybex Cloud T. No, wait, it's called Clouds. I'm not sure. Is it Cloud T or Cloud T for newborns and small babies? And then we have a car seat in the back. How much space do we have in the front seat? Whoa, plenty. I can stretch out. Okay, that means I can now go more forward until I still have okay angle here, and then I can start reclining. Okay, there, go back a little bit. Wow, this is wonderful space. And the charge port is motorized, but it's on the right side, was the wrong side, should have been left side, was the right side. And in the front seat, we have electric adjustable seats. You go forward, backwards, up, down, and you can recline here. But the steering wheel is adjusted manually here. Unlike Tesla, where all models are electric. And then to adjust the mirrors, you have to go in the menu, and then you can use the scroll wheels to adjust it. And here we have the so-called bridge design that I invented. You see, we have 12-volt outlet there, we have USB-C and USB-A, and a nice little pocket here, shelf for putting your stuff. And there's actually no glove box here. Maybe that's why they have so good space here, to open up more space for the passenger. But we have this center console that kind of works like a glove box. It's relatively large, at least. And here we have two wireless charging pads with cooling There are some, yeah, I can feel the outlet is like behind or beneath here. This is perfect for iPhones that overheat when you wirelessly charge them. 2 cup holders here. And then we have these, I don't know what you call them, virtual air vents, but when you turn on HVAC, let me do this, auto, you go here, and you see you can change this the way you like it, just like Tesla. But I feel like it's easier to turn on and off the vents. However, it doesn't go all the way up, unlike Tesla goes even higher up. Sometimes you just want the cool air to go up something and then can fall down. I don't know, just my personal taste, but I mean, it still works pretty great, see? And then, okay, also have here, ventilated seats. I have hotkey for it, left and right side. I like to have it on sunny days, but you can also do this, press and hold. And then suddenly you have lots of customizable buttons. You can arrange them just the way you like it. Really nice. I haven't seen many other cars have all these options to customize. And also, okay, if you go back, you can also swipe down and you have also the hotkeys here. And there's even an overspeed alarm here. Very nice. And then here we have physical stocks. Well, the Model Y still has it for now. But you see here, this is also the stock for activating cruise control, and then double to go into autopilot or X-Pilot. And then also we have physical buttons here. This thing here, the scroll wheel, I'm not a fan of it because it's not rubberized, but of course it looks and feels nice, but it tends to slip a bit if my hands are a bit dry. Same here. Plenty of headroom here. And then the seats also comfortable, nice side cushions, perforated of course. Some nice vegan leather. And let's not forget sending data to China. Come on, Isabel. So there you guys have it, Xpeng G6 Performance. It is the perfect family car. Lots of space, lots of features, lots of comfort. Go buy it. Yes, Tesla go home. Right, Isabel? Alles gut. Why are you so quiet now, huh? Get daddy. I have to go close up here. Look at the princess. Okay, Isabel. Bye bye. Ha there. Ha there. Normally she's really talkative. Okay, anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.